Hi everybody. In previous session we saw the problems on quotation and estimation. Okay, so already we solved one problem. I hope all of you understand that. Okay, so now in this session we will solve the problems on second problem on the quotation and the estimation. Okay, so now this is the problem number 2. Vishesh Limited gives you the following cost information: direct material 1 lakh, direct wages 60,000, factory overheads 24,000, administrative overhead 8,000. Prepare a cost sheet for the above information and prepare quotation for a machine which requires direct materials of rupees 3,000 and direct wages rupees 1,000. The following wants to earn profit of 20% on selling price. Okay, so this is the problem. With the help of this problem we have to prepare the cost sheet and we have to show the tender price. Okay, so now how to prepare the cost sheet? Okay, so for the preparation of the cost sheets they given the informations. Okay, so this direct material is given, direct wages is given, factory overhead is given, as well as the administrative overheads given. Okay, so with the help of this information we can ascertain the cost of production value. Okay, and then whatever the information is given, so this direct material or the direct wages rupees 1,000 is whatever they given, so it is a information for the preparation of the tender price. Okay, so but they not given the factory overheads as well as the administrative overheads, so we have to prepare the working note to ascertain that. Okay, so now we will prepare first of all the cost sheet. Now how to prepare the cost sheet? So this is the format. So particular column and the total cost column. Okay, so now in this particular column just take it. So first of all we have to take the direct material. Okay, so this is the direct material rupees 1 lakh. Take it, direct material rupees 1 lakh. Next, direct wages 60,000. Add direct wages 60,000. Okay, so just add it 1 lakh plus 60,000, total will be the 1 lakh 60,000. So this 1 lakh 60,000 is nothing but what? Prime cost. It indicates what's prime cost. Okay, so now in this you have to add the factory overheads. Okay, so in the format in the problems they given the factory overheads rupees 24,000. So just here add factory overheads 24,000. So 1 lakh 60,000 plus 24,000 total is 1 lakh 84,000. So this 1 lakh 84,000 it indicates what's work cost. Okay, so it indicates work cost. So in this work cost you have to add administrative overheads. Okay, what? Administrative overheads. So now see in this problem administrative overheads rupees 8,000. Just see, add administrative overheads 8,000. So this 1 lakh 84,000 plus 8,000, the total will be 1 lakh 92,000. So it indicates what's cost of productions. Okay, it indicates what's cost of productions. Okay, so now prepare a cost sheet. So we prepare the cost sheet. Okay, so for the above information and prepare quotation for a machine which requires direct material of rupees 3,000 and direct wages rupees 1,000. Okay, so now see, for the preparation of the tender price they given only the direct material and the direct wages. Okay, so as well as for the preparations what's required, the factory overheads is required as well as the administrative overhead is required. So for that purpose we have to prepare the working notes. Now how to prepare the working notes for the factory overheads? Okay, for the factory overheads. Okay, so now like this, working number 1, percentage of factory overheads on direct wages. Okay, so if we want to ascertain the factory overheads, then this is the formula. What's the formula? Factory overhead divided by direct wages into 100. Okay, so now see what is the factory overheads in the problems. What is the factory overheads? Don't take the work cost or the factory cost. Okay, so take it factory overheads. Okay, so the factory overhead charges is what's 24,000. So take it 24,000 divided by direct wages. So what's the value of the direct wages? Rupees 60,000. So take it 60,000 multiply 100. Okay, so multiply 100 is equal to 40% of direct wages. Okay, so it means what? While preparing the tender price we have to take 40% as a factory overheads on the direct wages. Okay, so next, working note number 2, percentage of administration overheads on work cost. Okay, so what is the formula to ascertain the administration overheads? Administration overhead divided by work cost into 100. Okay, So now see what is the administration overheads. So just see here, administration overheads rupees 8,000 divided by work cost, and what's the work cost? Rupees 1,84,000. Just take it 1,84,000 multiply 100. Okay, so you will get the answer 4.34% of work cost. Okay, so it means what's the administration overheads we have to calculate 4.34 on what? Work cost. Okay, so now we know what's the we know for the preparation for the prepare tender price. Okay, we know direct materials as well as the direct wages as well as the factory overheads 40% on direct wages, as well as we know administrative overheads 4.34% of work cost. Okay, so now how to prepare the statement showing tender price. Okay, so now see, this is the tender price. Direct material rupees 3,000. So in the problems given, direct materials of rupees 3,000. Okay, and direct wages rupees 1,000. Just here, direct materials rupees 3,000, direct wages rupees 1,000. The total is what? 4,000. So this 4,000 is what's prime cost. Okay, so now the factory overheads. Okay, what's factory overheads? Now we prepare what's working note for that. And what's the working note? So just see here, percentage of factory overheads on direct wages. Okay, so we calculate 40% of direct wages. Okay, 40% of direct wages. Okay, so it means what's this 40% we have to take from the direct wages, and what is the direct wages amount is rupees 1,000. Okay, so on this 1,000 we have to calculate what? 40%. So and we have to take, just like add factory overheads in bracket 40% of direct wages, and the amount is 1,000 into 40%. So amount will be the 400 we have to take. Okay, so now this 400 we have to add in the prime cost. So 4,000 plus 400 is equal to what? 4,400. So this 4,400 is nothing but what? Work cost. Okay, so now in this work cost we have to add what? Administrative overheads. Okay, so also we have prepared what's working note for that, and percentage of administration overheads on work cost. So now see here, 4.34% of work cost. Okay, so this 4.34% we have to calculate on work cost as administrative overheads. Okay, and what's the work cost? 4,400. On this 4,400 we have to calculate what? 4.34 percentage. Just see here, add administrative overheads on work cost of 4.34 percentage. Okay, so it means 4,400 into 4.34 percentage. The amount will be 190.96. Okay, 190.96 is the amounts. Now in this we have to add in the work cost. So work cost 4,400 plus this administrative overheads 190.96. The amount will be 4,590.96 is equal to what? Cost of productions. What? Cost of production. So this cost of productions. Okay, so now see, so we got the cost of productions. Okay, so now what's the given here? Just see a last sentence. The company wants to earn profit of 20% on selling price. Okay, so like this you have to calculate that selling price. Okay, so add profit 20% selling price. Okay, and what's the selling price? 4,920.96 into 20 divided by 80. Okay, like this you have to calculate that, because what's if the 100 rupees selling price is there and this 20% profit is added, it means what's 80 is a cost price. Okay, so like this 4,590 into 20 divided by 80, the amount will be 1,147.74. so you have to add in this cost of productions, you will get 5,738.7. so this is nothing but what? Tender price. Okay, so like this you have to calculate. Okay, so it will show, it will come in the exam. Okay, so I hope you are understand. If it is not understand, you can contact me and ask. Okay, thank you.